everybody. Long time no see. You're looking good. Check this out. I have received from my good friends at Namoki, I'm not even sure what. You know that? I honestly don't know. I've looked in this side just to see, but they sent me some new stuff that's not even on the site. And I even kind of snooped to try and find it, but it's not. So, check that. That's a cool sector dial. That's interesting. Some nice looking hands. We'll dig into those in a minute here. Now, I have not seen this case. That's all that's in here. And this number does not exist on their site just yet. So I don't have a clue what this is going to look like. So let's find out together. I'm excited. I love to see new stuff coming out. Oh, damn. Check that out. Now, this is obviously going to be a new not kit, but new bundle. So it's crystal's already pressed for us. Damn, that is a nice case. Let's get that out of here. That's really nice looking. That's a new crown too. Haven't seen that before. All right, well, I'm gonna have to measure this. I'm pretty sure that looks like a 20, but I'll measure this, make sure I have a strap that's gonna look good on here. I have some ideas, but I had to open this and show you guys and see what we're working with. And then let's dig in. All right, so I dug us out a couple of strap options here, actually. Leather strap from Namoki, a Barton nylon 2-piece, and an Artem NATO 1-piece. So we'll see when we're all done here how that looks. I also had to dig us out an NH38 because I don't really like having ghost dates, but that's a personal preference. I mean, it's not the end of the world, to be honest, but you know. So 3 o'clock position. Can you see where we're at? We need that top one and the corresponding bottom one. If we went here, we'd mess ourselves up. So we're going to snip those bottom one, the bottom one, and yeah, this is going to be a nice, easy build. I like the look of this already. I'm very, very curious to see what she looked like when she's all together. Don't have a sector dial, build, or watch in my collection, so this is pretty cool. Now this is a dress watch, so no loom, and look at these hands. Holy, those are just shining. Look when they catch the light. Oh, like mirrors. Yeah, everything's feeling good. So, start clean, and hopefully you don't have much to clean up after. looking good. Just gotta adjust, make the adjust. As always. There's always an adjust. You see that? I'm looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. There we go. Now we're nice and level. Nice and level. Ugh. Man, these hands. They're so polished. They're gonna be hard to keep highly polished, but that's okay. I'm gonna carry on, and I shall polish everything and get everything super cleaned up before we case it up. Wow. If you're wondering what's taking me so long, it's the glare. These are so heavily polished. I'm getting glared. There we go. Scheiße. All right. Looking good with the spacing und spacing. Like so. We'll check our tolerances. Make sure everything's good. And we good. Let's get this out of here. And see what she looked like when we put it all together. And then we'll cut a stem. Clean the case up, so we're good there. Always give it an extra puff out anyway. Oh my, look at that. That is flashy, senor. My goodness. My goodness. Well, let's get a crown stem cut. Let's see. How's about that for a guess? What do you say? Yeah, we're looking good. Yeah, if my fingers could grab the thing. Perfect. Perfect. Now, let's lube that gasket up. I know it's not going diving anywhere. Don't think I'm crazy, but it still helps the operation of the crown, makes everything feel nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. That's it. That's all I'm after. Fingers is almost numb in these stupid finger thingies. You know, I bought what I thought was going to be the right size. Look at my thumb. It looks like a flippin' balloon. Oh, like, that's ridiculous. Anyway, moving on. Got a case back gasket. It's been marinating for us. That's always helpful. Always marinate your case back gaskets. I'm just joking, you guys. You don't have to do that. Oh, come on, you. There. Holy macaroni. There we go. Don't ask. Don't ask. Why do you get it? Why do you feel the need to question? I will tighten that down later. I'll tighten it down later, we will. Now, let's do the strap thing. What should we do? I think this is gonna look wunderbar. We're gonna do like the strap fashion show. The straption show. My keeper fell off. There we go. That's gonna look wunderbar. I don't even need to question it. Oh, my fingers. Oh, there we go. I was thinking I'd have to get out the twos, but fingers are working. Whoops. Whoops. Yeah. Oh, for the love of... There we go. Hey, 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 hey. Check that out. Tell me that doesn't look bloody good. Well done, you guys. On a brown Namoki leather strap. That is, look at the thinness on that too. Just for laughs. Let's get out the old calipers, because I'm curious about this one. This one looks quite thin, especially for being an NH series. Yeah, look at that. 11.2. That's impressive for an NH series case. Well done, you guys. That's pretty bloody nice, gotta say. Now, let's just see with different strap options what we can do. I like the brown leather, I have to say. Let's see. Oh, for the love of the lover. I mean, this being a silver dial like this, it's going to go with absolutely every kind of strap that you've got. Even if it's a colored strap, it's still gonna look good. Like, see, look at that. That looks really sharp too. I mean, you could match this watch to anything you happen to be wearing. very easily. All right. Whoops. I'm gonna have to put these back, and then we'll try that. Whoops. Son of a so-and-so. We'll try it on the Artem. Whoops. Come on now. Why are you playing with me like that? I think it's because I can't feel my fingers anymore. That's probably the problem. Okay. I got that? Oh no, I got that backwards. I got it backwards, of course. I even tried to get it the right way and I was still getting it backwards. Okay. Come on. Tell me that doesn't look good on that. I mean, okay, I'm not a huge fan of NATOs. I like bracelets, but that looks really bloody sharp. I need to put that on. That's what I need to do. I need to put it on. Can't say nothing without putting it on, can you? Now this is why I like bracelets. Say what you will. I know it's a sporty strap, but that looks nice. I really like that. I mean, for me, it's either that or the leather. And honestly, I think I might go with the leather just because I don't like NATOs. But, damn, that looks good. Well done, Namoki. Thank you guys for letting me do this and check this out before anybody else gets to see it on your website here. This is awesome. I'm loving it so far. Can't wait to see what this looks like in the sunshine tomorrow. Gorgeous dial. Cheers, you guys. Thanks again for watching. Love y'all. See you again next time.